Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down appliance woes into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into the Samsung dishwasher error code F3, specifically for 2025 models. If you've seen this code flashing on your screen, you're not alone. It's a common issue that can leave your dishes less than sparkling clean. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First off, let's understand what error code F3 means. In Samsung dishwashers from 2025, this code typically signals a problem with the water heating system. Your dishwasher might not be heating the water properly, which could result in poor cleaning performance or even the machine stopping mid-cycle. The main culprits? Often, it's a faulty heating element, a malfunctioning thermostat, or issues with the water inlet valve. Sometimes, it's as simple as a buildup of limescale or a clogged filter. Before you grab your tools, remember safety first. Always unplug your dishwasher and turn off the water supply to avoid any risks. Let's start troubleshooting. Step 1. Perform a reset. Unplug the dishwasher for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This can clear temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, check for any visible blockages in the filter or spray arms. Clean them thoroughly with warm, soapy water. Next, inspect the heating element. You'll need to remove the lower access panel to get a look. Use a multimeter to test for continuity. If it's not working, you might need to replace it, but that's a job for someone comfortable with electrical components. Also, examine the thermostat and wiring connections for any signs of damage or corrosion. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be time to call in a professional technician. They can diagnose deeper problems and ensure everything is up to code. Remember, attempting complex repairs without expertise could void your warranty or lead to bigger headaches. There you have it, your guide to tackling Samsung dishwasher error code F3. I hope this saves you time and frustration. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home repair tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.